Hi guys, to this video we're going to fix the side mirror switch. This is Kia Sorento. This one guys, the side mirror switch, it doesn't work. It works going up and down, but it doesn't work sideways, left and right. I checked the price in the dealer. It's $500 just a switch. I check it online. There is no aftermarket. There is available used one, but they don't accept return. So I will try to fix it. We will see what's going on inside that switch. Probably, I believe it's just a contact. One screw here and one screw over here. That's this. We have the access now for the switch. This is behind the panel that we took off. We got it. I clean all the contacts with alcohol guys, including this one. My guess is the contact is very poor, so this is what I'm gonna do. This little thing, this is the contact guys. This thing, it contact here like that. Because of the contact is very poor, cannot reach. This one is the one pushing here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add extra layer here. I have something here. This is inner tube of the tire. Hope it works. These are the pieces that we made. This thing, we're gonna stick it here to add another layer. We stick it already guys, and we'll just wait until it dry. This part is very tiny guys. I'm using a magnifying glass. We put it back together. Now we have to testing. We just use this single harness guys. This is incredible. Look at this guys, it's working perfect 100%. Here in driver's side, I put all the panel completely back. Final testing. Passenger side, driver side. It's very smooth, guys, and it's just a soft touch. It's working good, perfectly, 100%. Guys, I'm so happy that I fixed this side mirror switch. Like what I said, the switch in the dealer is $500. There is no aftermarket. There is a used one available in eBay. I'm so happy I fixed it for $0. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.